This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Mac Miller on piano. First, let's begin with the foundational elements. Many of Mac Miller's songs utilize straightforward chord progressions. We'll start by mastering basic three-note chords, specifically major and minor triads. These are the building blocks for his unique sound. Practice common progressions like the 1-5-6-4 progression in C major to get a feel for the harmony. This will give you a solid base to build upon. Next, we'll dive into the melodies and rhythmic feel that define Mac Miller's music. His vocal lines and instrumental hooks are often quite memorable. Focus on learning these key melodic phrases by ear or from sheet music. Crucially, pay close attention to the relaxed, often syncopated rhythms. This unique timing is essential for capturing his vibe. Practice with a metronome set to a slow tempo, gradually increasing it, to develop precise timing and a natural groove. Now, let's add some embellishments and stylistic nuances to make your playing truly sound like Mac Miller. Once you're comfortable with the basic chords, try incorporating simple arpeggios and chord inversions. This will add depth and movement to your harmony. Don't forget to experiment with the sustain pedal. It's crucial for creating those atmospheric, dreamy textures often found in his work. Listen intently to his original recordings for subtle details and phrasing that you can emulate. Finally, it's time to put everything into practice and apply it to actual songs. Select one of your favorite Mac Miller tracks and begin to break it down. Start by learning the intro, then move to the verse, and so on, mastering each small section before combining them. Remember, consistent daily practice is absolutely key to improvement. Aim for at least 20 minutes each day, focusing on accuracy and musicality. Enjoy the process of bringing his music to life on the piano.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.